Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find long tail keywords. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Semrush, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Finding the long tail keywords on Semrush is a straightforward process and highly effective for targeting niche audiences and boosting your SEO strategy. All right, so we have dealt these tools that you can use here in Semrush, like Keyword Magic Tool, Backlink Gap, Keyword Gap, Organic Research, Linking Building Tool. So we have a separate videos for these, how to use it, because you're gonna be needing this if you want to find long tail keywords. We're not gonna dive deep into these topics, so you might want to check that in our channel. But the most common option for you to find long tail keywords is using the Keyword Magic Tool. And again, if you want detailed video on how to use this, you might want to check that on our channel, please. If you haven't already, subscribe to our GPlaps YouTube channel. So first of all, click the Keyword Magic Tool. All right, this is, I believe, the most powerful feature for discovering long tail keywords. All right, now navigate to the enter keyword here, this section, and type in a seed keyword. For example, you have all these examples. You have loans, movies, how to buy Audible books. All right, so let's try to use this keyword suggestions for the SEO. For example, your niche is around like financial, all right, insurance. You might want to use the loans for now. Let's go. Or for example, you're into industry, filming, and a lot. So let's click the movies. All right. Obviously, you can type in any word that you wanted here, but I'm just using the example, so it's a lot easier to explain. Now, when you type a broad topic or keyword related to your niche, for example, this movie, all right, you can simply apply the filters right here. This is going to be the advanced filters. All right. You can put in the word count. Now, you can set the word count filter to show keywords within 3 words. All right. You see this? Now, another option is going to the volume range. You see this? You can target keywords with medium to low search volume, for example, from 1 to 10, or 10 to 100, or 10 to 1,000, as they often indicate long tail terms. All right. And again, from these results, you can review keyword difficulties right here, the KD percentage, to find keywords in question forms which are often long tail. For example, since we have put the movies, the long tail keywords is going to be movies near me, movies out now, right? Movies theaters near me, and movies in theaters, Adam Sandler movies, Barbie, It Ends With Us movies, because you might want to make sure that the keyword difficulty is a lot easier. 20% means it's easy, but those red ones, you might want to avoid that for now because it's going to be difficult for you to check that. All right. You might wanna put this keyword, a long tail keywords, in a separate sheet, in a document for you to record. All right. Or if you want, you can simply click the export button, but it would require you to subscribe to the pro plan. If you don't have that capacity for now, I suggest you type all of these keywords, especially the easy ones and the yellow ones, difficult, but if it's still possible. All right. Now, after doing the Keyword Magic Tool, use the related keyword features. How do we do that? Go to the keyword overview. All right. You see, since we have entered the movies already, it will provide alternative phrases and variations, many of which are long tail keywords. All right, so again, we have the 1, 2, 3 movies, movies near me, movies out now. You see, there's a lot, like 21 million keywords, but I suggest you filter all those easy ones for now. All right, so Will Ferrell movies, Am I Racist movies, What Do We Do in the Shadows movies, and a lot more. It is also giving you the keyword strategy by using these new movies for theaters, movies not showing, movie now, top movies currently in theaters, and movies out right now. On the bottom part corner, you might want to check the SERP analysis. All right. If you click on a specific word in the keyword magic tool earlier, of course, that's the movies or keyword overview, you should analyze the SERP right here, which stands for Search Engine Results Page Data, to see if the long tail keywords align with the user intent and competition level. Obviously, that's movies. If you click one of the website right here, for example, fandango.com, we would be forwarded to that website, and we would be able to see the intent and the competition levels using the movies as our seed keyword. And from there, you can use the topic research for content ideas. You see this, you see the ad copies, all right? They are using this to rank up their SEO using these long tail keywords. And the keyword ad history, it has like a peak around May and around August, but it dwindled down around November. All right, so these are going to be some of the ideas for you to find your long tail keywords. And again, since you can't export this, if you want to export the PDF and don't have the capacity to upgrade to the Pro plan for now, all right, I want you to export the long tail keywords by typing it manually to your Excel or Google Sheets or Microsoft Docs. And you can use filters to eliminate overly competitive keywords or those with irrelevant intent. And that is obviously the keyword difficulty. If it's like 100%, you might want to skip that for now. 81%, 74. These are going to be tough for you to work with it. I suggest you go for the easy ones, and those are maybe doable or possible kind of long tail keywords. And again, we have separate videos using all these keyword strategy builder that would align all the backlinking analytics and backlinking audit for you to be able to rank up, use this keyword to your purpose of your niche. All right. And then always ensure that the keywords align what your audience is searching for. You combine long tail keywords with content marketing use. You can use them, for example, in blog posts, product descriptions, FAQs, and YouTube videos like what we do here in the Deep Labs YouTube channel. And of course, you should regularly update your research because trends and users' search behavior evolve over time. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you again in the next one.